Hi, it's Steve from PartSelect. Today we're going to show you how to change the bucket and auger assembly on your refrigerator, and it's a really easy job. All we're going to need is a Phillips screwdriver. Let me show you how we do it. Now, to do this repair, we'll begin by opening the freezer door, and then we're going to remove the whole ice bucket and auger assembly, and then we'll set it on a suitable work surface where we can do the repair. Now, while we're doing the repair, we'll also turn the ice maker off, so just reach in, lift up on the shut-off lever, and put it in the off position. Now, to do this repair, we simply need to remove the front cover from the old assembly. Now, there are two screws on the inside at the top of the metal bracket, and then there are two screws on the bottom of that same bracket. So we just remove those. Set it up right, remove the last two screws. Then just lift the cover assembly off and set that aside so we can install it on the new piece. We discard the old bucket and auger assembly. Next, we'll take the new bucket and auger assembly, and we're going to place that front cover on it so that the rectangular opening in the bottom lines up with the opening in the cover. And it's easier if we set the ice bin upright first. We'll just line the cover up, make sure the screw holes line up through the center. And install these two screws first. The screws need to be snug, but don't over tighten them. And then carefully turn it upside down. Install the two screws in the bottom. We can reinstall the door if yours dropped off as well. Simply line it up with the little hinge pins on the inside. Snap in the open end. And we're now ready to put the assembly back in the refrigerator. Now, to reassemble the assembly, we'll first of all make sure that the auger lines up with the forks on the auger motor at the back. We'll slide the whole assembly into position. Lift up and make sure it latches. And lastly, we'll reach in, turn the ice maker back on, and our repair is complete. I told you it was an easy job. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your repair.